In this video we are going to show how to show PPPoE connection username and password. First open nursoft.net website. Find and download Dialup Password Recovery Tool. Extract this file. Now you see the PPPoE username and password. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos.